Have you ever uploaded a video and wondered why it almost got no view? The truth is, many creators spend hours editing but make mistakes during the upload process, and those mistakes can affect how YouTube understand and recommend your content. In today's video, I will show you the exact way to upload your video on YouTube in 2026, including the settings you should check before hitting publish. If you are new here, welcome back. This is Rashidat Views. Here, we help creators grow smart, not harder. Let's get started. I'll take you through to my screen record so you see what I'm doing here. Network is very bad. I'm having issues with network. You click on upload, then you come here. Look at what I'm trying to say. Like this video that I want to upload now. This video is 106 MB. Look at what it's saying here. VID is just, VID is a short form of video. Then 2026 is actually showing me the date that I actually record this video. So what you are going to do is, because before you upload this exact video, you click on it, you go back to your, what's it called, you go back to any of your video player, you go and rename it there. You don't just upload video like this. You just don't click upload and upload it like this. Next, let me go back to my video player. I come to my MX player. I don't want this video to be longer, but it's going to be a little bit. I come to my camera. You see this exact same video. If you checked some of my videos now, you see here, I see why your channel is not growing. You name your video equivalent, like, yes, it's equivalent to what your title is about. You don't just upload your video. You name it very close. If possible, name it the exact title you want your video. That is, you are naming your video. You get. So you just come here. I will rename. Delete. Don't publish your videos without watching this. Do you get this? Okay, you understand? Then you now come back to your YouTube studio. You click here. Automatically it has updated. Then we upload. Network, don't mess me up today, please. Did you see what I'm telling you? Let's say, for instance, the title that is already giving me an X because I renamed my video. If I did not rename my video, in which some of you guys are doing there, if you did not rename your video, what it just give you is just that your video, the date and the time. That is just what is going to write here in your title. So if this is the title that I want to make use of now, I'll just go by this title. There is no need for me. There will be no need for me again to, like, okay, let me edit and write on that title. No. For example, this is what I want to go with. Then this is the title I'm going to attach there. What you do is add your description, upload your thumbnail. And when it comes to thumbnail, always make sure that you have a thumbnail for your video before any of your upload. Don't let YouTube generate thumbnail for you from your video. You understand? Don't let them generate thumbnail for you, because let's say this video now, I'll post it now without adding another thumbnail. They'll be the one to automatically generate another thumbnail for me from my own video, which is not supposed to be like that, which is not even going to attract view, because your video is just there. You need a thumbnail that is going to create a curiosity, that is going to make viewers to click, that will even make you yourself that, okay, if I should come across my video, am I going to click on it because of my thumbnail, all those kind of a thing. Then here you touched on playlist. I have different playlists here. You add it. You just, for example, if you don't have playlist, please, you come here, you create your new playlist here that I'm touching like this. Come and create your new playlist here. But if you already have playlist on your channel, just go ahead and add it to any of the playlists that you want to add it to. You've already write your description, you upload your thumbnail. Then you come here. Is your video made for kids or is not made for kids? Always choose not made for kids, so that YouTube algorithm is not going to restrict your views. Then you come here. If your video already has, if you are being paid to make such video, you add paid for, yes, my video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship or endorsement. You tick that one. AI, some people will come here, they won't choose anything here. What YouTube is trying to ask you here is if your video is AI generated or not. If you are creating original content out there that does not involve AI, just come here and choose no. This thing is not going to reduce your view. Instead, it's going to help the algorithm to show your views to people that need it. Some people will just be like, let me not go and choose, my video is made for AI, and at the end of the long run, my video views is going to be short, all those kind of things. No, what is actually going to do is going to help YouTube know who to show your video to. And if your video is made for AI, please always tick on made for AI, which is yes. My video is not AI generated and is not made with AI, so there's no need for me to choose yes. I just come here and I choose no. If you want to collaborate, if you have a collaborator that wants to collaborate with you, just go ahead and click invite a collaborator. Then they'll give you the link. You copy. I will do another dedicated video for that one, not today. Add your tags. My video is about education, my category. I'm not supposed to show you all these things. What I want to show you is different. So let's just move from here. Nope, it's not made for kids. Let's move. These people, they want to waste my time. Then you come here, you come and add end screen. You will add end screen. This video is uploading. I don't want it to upload. You add end screen to this place. You come here, you add your end screen. Please always make sure that you add end screen in all of your video. Please try as much as possible to add end screen, because this thing is going to make your video like is really going to help the algorithm. Please try as much as possible to always add end screen. Here I choose one video and one subscribe, then you save. I'll delete this video though. I just need to do some things. Then here you come here, you add your cards. You know, some people will be like, I don't want to add cards. Which one is card? Which one is card? Cards are actually good because it will make people to know that, okay, you have, like, for example, now this video that I'm doing now, I have another video that is a bit similar to this. I can just add my tag, and when you are watching the video, it will just pop up, okay, there is also so video like why your YouTube channel is not getting views. You can just go there and you also watch that video. That is the meaning of tag. So please try as much as possible to always add cards to your video. It's very, very important. You come here, for example, I'll come here now, I want to add cards. Let me just choose. You see why your channel is not growing. I already have a video here that is saying why your channel is not growing. I'll just add it. Then I'll adjust the time. I'll adjust the time that I want these cards to show. I already adjusted the time. It will tick. Then we'll move to the next. If you want to add quiz to your own, you can add quiz, but me, I don't want to add quiz. Then here now it's telling you initial check. It will check your video now, normal. This is where people are getting it wrong. This is where we are getting, some people are getting it, even me, I get it wrong at the first place. I tell people, I say, don't just stand up, today I need to shoot, I need to make video. You just get your script, then you set your camera, you start making video. No, always make video ahead of your scheduled dates. That is why YouTube will give you the time for you to schedule your video. The power of scheduled. Don't just click on public. Stop clicking on public. Don't publish immediately. Stop clicking on publish. You don't publish immediately. You save your video. You schedule your video. This will help the YouTube algorithm, like, okay, they really scroll through your video. They know who to distribute it to. They've already texted your video, that they've already suited it well, so that by the time your video is going live, you won't be struggling with views. You won't be struggling with audience to watch your video. No, because you already have viewers there waiting for the same video. That is the help of schedule. Stop hitting publish immediately. It's very bad. It's doing your video bad than good. The bad that is affecting, that is what is doing to your channel. How can I put this thing? The way it's affecting your channel is much more bigger than what is helping, as in the way it's helping your channel. How can I? just know that when you click on publish immediately, it's not good, it's bad. You need to give the algorithm time to check your video, to know the type of audience to push it out to know that, okay, if I push it out to audience A or audience B, this person is going to have view, this is what they want, this is not what they want. You understand? You let your video sit with the algorithm, take time. The YouTube space will know that, okay, this video that this person wants to publish on, let's say on the 10th of this month, is for so viewers, is for so audience. Okay, we need to push it to this audience feed. So once your video hits, immediately your video hits the exact published date, you'll see that your video is getting views. It will start getting views. You don't need to struggle because it has already went through that text feed. Then you come here, you click on scheduled. This video that I'm doing today, that you're going to watch on Wednesday, I'm shooting it on Monday. I already have my script. I already know what I want to shoot. I already know what I want to talk about since on Saturday. So I'm shooting it on Monday, which is on the 8th, of June. So anybody that's watching this video is going to watch it on the 10th, or let's say after then. But this video is going to go on live on Wednesday. But I'm already shooting it today, trying to schedule it to YouTube so that by Wednesday, even though I'm busy, even though I'm not busy, I just know that, okay, once it's Wednesday 7 p.m, my video is going live. That is the power of scheduled. You now come here, for example, my video is going to go live. You don't already go choose on 17, no. On the 10th. My video is going to go live on the 10th of June, which is on Wednesday. Then the time is going to be 19 o'clock, West Africa time. Yes. Then you click scheduled. Scheduled, just as simple as that. You click scheduled. You click scheduled. But I'll delete this video. I'm just doing it for practical. I'll delete it. They say, due to the fact that it's not yet uploaded, they've not done with their checking, they say we are still checking your content. Got it. So even though you have somewhere to go, you have other things to attend to, you already upload your video to YouTube. This will enable YouTube to take their time, go through your video, check your video. The video is going to sit well with the algorithm. So when it's time for this video to go live, it's going to go live ASAP. Just as simple as that. No stress. Close. Now that you know how to upload your video the right way, now another thing is keywords. Please don't stuff in keywords. Write for human first. Don't just write keywords. You understand? Don't repeat keywords. Try to make sure you just put 3 keywords there. You are done. Then what I know, I told you that you really need to work on your thumbnail. Don't allow YouTube to generate automatic thumbnail from your content. So try as much as possible to already have your ready-made thumbnail, so that by the time you're uploading your video, you upload it alongside with your own thumbnail. Don't let them do auto-generated thumbnail, because they are going to carry the worst parts. Shh, keep quiet. Shh. Just to make sure you have your thumbnail ready before you upload, please. Don't choose made for kiddo. Except you know that you are doing a cartoon content, you are doing a kid content, that you know that, okay, you are going to choose made for kids. Because if you ever dare choose made for kids, next thing, they are going to restrict your video to children alone under 18. And you know what that is going to mean, because it's totally going to shut your view down. Except children that will view it, nobody else that will view it. So always make sure that you click on not made for kids. Review your title before you post. Review your thumbnail. Check for spelling mistakes. Confirm your audience settings. These small details can make a big differences. Please try as much as possible to put in the right things. You understand? Uploading a video is not just about clicking the publish button. No. It's about giving your content the best chance to succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. This is Rashidat Builds, helping you build your YouTube channel one step at a time. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Don't do like this. Good night. Bye.